Greetings! Today we will make two variants of healthy breakfast or dinner. You can have one after you woke up, and another one before going to sleep. We need flax seeds, kefir or yogurt, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Grind flax seeds in coffee grinder. This method is more preferable, cause after grinder the seeds would better absorb. Grind seeds for 20 seconds. Pour the crushed seeds into a blender. Raisins and bananas can be omitted in this recipe, but you can add to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of raisin to taste. Add 200 milliliters of water. Add 250 milliliters of kefir or yogurt. I personally prefer kefir because it has less sugar than yogurt. Blend for 1 minute. Kefir's origin in the Caucasus Mountains. The name kefir is derived from the Turkish word keyif, which means feeling good or pleasure. Legend has it that kefir grains were a closely guarded secret in the Caucasus Mountains, where the beverage was believed to have unique health benefits and contribute to longevity. Kefir was traditionally made by placing the grains in bags and hanging them near a doorway, allowing anyone who entered to brush against them, thus aiding in the fermentation process. You can add less water to make the product less runny. And here is the second way to make this recipe, without a blender and without a coffee grinder. All we need is 3 tablespoons of flax seeds. Add 300 milliliters of kefir. Stir it well. Let the flax seeds soak in kefir for 1 hour. I call it lazy porridge with flax seeds. Thanks for watching.